Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Air Fryer Toaster Oven. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. DAWAD Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Capacity for 1.2 pounds French fries, a 6 pounds whole chicken, a 10-inch pizza. Both the housing and the interior are made of stainless steel for easy clean. Number 4. LERIZOM Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Brand: LERIZOM. Capacity: 25 quarts. Color: Cherry. Voltage: 110 volts. This oven can achieve temperature changes between 200 to 450. Makes it easier to evenly cook food, more crispy and tender. Number 3. ICONITESER Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This air fryer toaster oven is not only an air fryer, but also a rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill and oven toaster. With wide temperature range from 180 to 400. This large air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, dehydrate and rotisserie. Number 2. Gevi Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It adopts new technology of cooking food by 360-degree hot air circulation, which can offer you crunchy food with little or no oil. Built with 6 heating elements and thermal circulation fans, designed to heat faster, evenly and cut your cooking time. 360 rotating rotisserie fork, flexible to control the surface of the barbecue, roasted chicken to be crispy and the bottom is not burnt. Number 1. Kosuri Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Air fry your food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, making for a simpler cooking experience. Reduce your cooking time by using the Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Use the convection fan for fast and even cooking, especially if you like crispy results. This function is perfect for a rotisserie chicken,